Big tech is collecting your data like never before. But small language models are changing the game, running directly on your devices to keep your information private. Discover how this revolution is reshaping data privacy. This video is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out iforyou.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Small language models are compact yet powerful. They deliver impressive performance with minimal resources, unlike their cloud-based counterparts. Learn how their focused design makes them perfect for privacy-first computing. These models excel in specific domains, maintaining high accuracy while reducing computational footprints. Discover how modern techniques like pruning and quantization enhance their efficiency. Small models require significantly less memory and processing power, enabling real-time processing on standard devices. This efficiency transforms how we think about on-device AI. With reduced power consumption, these models are ideal for mobile applications. They run continuously without significant battery drain, perfect for always-on services like voice assistants. Deploying small models is surprisingly affordable. Unlike cloud solutions, they require only a one-time cost, reducing ongoing expenses and making them accessible across various devices. These models operate independently, creating a distributed AI network that becomes more cost-effective as it expands. Explore the economic advantages over cloud-based solutions. Edge AI is transforming industries like healthcare and automotive. Discover privacy-first applications that process data locally, ensuring security and efficiency. From smart healthcare devices to autonomous vehicles, see how Edge AI enables real-time decision-making without cloud dependencies. Edge AI eliminates internet dependency, ensuring systems function even when connections fail. This reliability is crucial for mission-critical applications. Local data processing enhances security by keeping information on device, reducing the risk of data breaches during transmission. Choosing the right hardware is key for Edge AI. ARM processors excel in power efficiency, while x86 CPUs offer raw power for desktops and servers. Optimize models with techniques like quantization and pruning to balance performance and resource consumption. Learn best practices for integrating Edge AI into existing systems. The shift from cloud to Edge AI is transforming operations. Small language models offer faster responses, lower costs, and genuine privacy protection. By implementing Edge AI solutions, you'll gain control over your data and enhance operational efficiency. Start small and focus on privacy and speed. Recap. We've explored how small language models revolutionize data privacy, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. By adopting Edge AI, you'll secure your data and streamline operations. Takeaway: by embracing Edge AI, you'll protect your data and enhance your system's reliability and efficiency. Call to action: start exploring Edge AI today. Implement pilot projects and partner with specialists to transform your operations. Join the privacy-first computing revolution. Together, we can redefine how AI interacts with our data. Thank you for watching. Let's take control of our data and embrace the future of AI.